Within the last few hours, the first week of testimony wrapped up in the massive Feeding Our Future fraud scheme. New details were revealed about how much money was stolen and how much the Fed got back. Lou Raguse was in the courtroom today and joins us with more. Lou?
Julie, of the $250 million of taxpayer money stolen in the Feeding Our Future meal fraud scheme, the U.S. Attorney's Office says they have been able to recover about $66 million of it through seizing bank accounts, property, and assets. Today, testimony wrapped for the week with a focus on showing the jury how impossible it would be to serve the number of meals the defendants claimed.
A $1 million home at the end of a cul-de-sac in Plymouth, paid for entirely, prosecutors say, with proceeds from the Feeding Our Future meal fraud by Salim Saeed, who's now standing trial. In order to pocket that much money in such a short amount of time, prosecutors say Saeed claimed to be serving lunch and breakfast to 6,000 kids every day from Safari Restaurant in Minneapolis. Prosecutors called Stacy Copen, director of nutrition services at St. Paul Public Schools, to testify about how hard it actually is to serve that many people. She testified that they receive pallets of raw ingredients, which takes many staff members at the district's central kitchen in order to prepare meals, which they then truck to various schools in the district. But Copen said no school in the St. Paul district served as many meals in a given month pre-pandemic than Safari Restaurant claimed to do under the federal child nutrition program. Saeed's attorney played surveillance video showing some food delivered to Safari and some people coming in and out with meals. FBI agent Jared Carey, who estimated Safari served about 40 people each day, testified in response, "I could tell the difference between thousands of meals and a few meals being delivered. There was no way it could add up to the total claimed month after month." Prosecutors linked former Feeding Our Future executive director Amy Bach directly to her co-defendant, showing the jury several reimbursement checks she wrote to Safari Restaurant, each for over $1 million.
And in cross-examination, Bach's attorney focused on trying to show that Bach wasn't aware of fraud happening underneath her because they said her middle managers directly were lying to her. Now, the trial will resume on Tuesday morning after the holiday Monday.